Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On Thursday, 22nd June, the newly built Salesian School Sports Hall was officially opened by multi-Olympic, world and European champion Sir Mo Farah, CBE, with over 200 students, parents and staff in attendance. The opening of the sports hall at Salesian School, Chertsey, was the culmination of 10 years hard work fundraising, planning and building. Sir Mo Farah's visit to Salesian School, Chertsey, included him taking part in question and answers, responding to questions posed by the students. He talked about his fate, his pre-race superstitions, discrimination and his experiences in I'm a Celebrity. The sports hall has been officially named the Eric Doherty and Peter O'Brien Sports Hall. Eric served as deputy head teacher at Salesian School, Chertsey for 20 years. He was acting head teacher for a year and served in the physical education department, a subject area he still supports today long after his retirement. Peter was a parent, then governor before becoming school business manager and chair of Xavier Catholic Education Trust. He drove the project financially, sharing the vision of the then head teacher James Kibble. Head teacher Paul Gower said that it is a wonderful moment for the whole school community. 2 years ago, the school possessed no usable playing fields and a single badminton court-sized gymnasium. As a result of fundraising and careful planning, we now find ourselves with new school fields across the road and this wonderful sports hall, both of which will deliver sporting opportunities to the students at Salesian School for years to come. The 11th edition of the exhibition of works by participants of the parish art workshops was held on 18 June in a room at the Salesian St. Stanislaus Kostka Church in Debniki, Krakow. It was managed by Fathers Leszek and Robert Krusek, SDB. This year's exhibition was special because it was held for the last time, as the two Salesian twin brothers who have managed it for several years are about to move to the Salesian community in Oswiecim. Works have been presented not only from last year but also from previous years. Icons, oil paintings and small sculptures inspired above all by sacred themes but also portraits, landscapes and flowers. Attention was drawn to the high standard of the works, aware that all the authors are amateurs and that many of them began their adventure into art only after retiring. With regards to Fathers Robert and Leszek Krusek, the paintings, statues, bas-reliefs and busts they have made are exhibited in many important places in Poland, such as in the Shrine of Jasna Gora and Częstochowa, in the Church of the Blessed Virgin Mary, Star of the New Evangelization and St. John Paul II in Toru, in the Church of Kielce Newanklo, and also in other parts of the world, in Vilnius, Lithuania, in Colle Don Bosco, Italy, Spain, Ukraine, Russia, Peru and Venezuela. The Salesian family recalls St. John Bosco's name day and the origins of the Feast of Gratitude at Valdoco Oratory on 24 June, the Feast of St. John the Baptist, since as it is narrated in the biographical memoirs, for the boys the Feast of St. John the Baptist was a special occasion to demonstrate their feelings. This year's celebration was inevitably affected by the news of the death of the Rector Major's mother, Isabel Artime Garcia, but it was nevertheless celebrated modestly to express the gratitude of the entire Salesian family, SF, towards its center of unity. In introducing the day, which saw the involvement of Salesians from various communities in Turin, led by the superior of the Piedmont and Valle d'Aosta circumscription, Father Leonardo Mancini, as well as the various Salesians at Salesian headquarters, the Vicar of the Rector Major, Father Stefano Martoglio, stressed the value of the celebration both as an element of continuity and bond of tradition that takes us back to the origins of the charism and as an occasion of gratitude which reinforces the unity of the entire SF around the successor of Don Bosco. The formation and accompaniment course for 10 newly appointed provincials concluded on Friday, 23 June, the liturgical memorial of St. Joseph Cafasso. This event, which lasted 2 weeks, allowed the provincials to receive fundamental pointers for the successful completion of their service through working sessions with all the members of the General Council, and even more so thanks to conversation and immediate discussion with the Rector Major and his councillors. Participants expressed their satisfaction at the end of the course. It was precisely the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artemi who offered the appropriate key to understanding the course in his homily at the final Mass of the course, which he celebrated in the St. Francis de Sales Chapel in Valdoco. You have done a very beautiful and demanding job, and now you returned home with the awareness that you need to take great care of that part of the congregation that the Lord has entrusted to you, the 10th successor of Don Bosco began. The community of the mission of Don Bosco CMP 28 group the Salesian family founded in Bologna in 1983 at the Salesian Our Lady of San Luca Institute and the Sacred Heart Parish Day will be holding its third General Assembly from 2nd to 9 July this year at its historic headquarters in Bologna. Representatives of the various communities from Madagascar, Burundi, Ghana, Haiti, Argentina, Chile, Ukraine and Italy will be present together with their Salesian delegates. The theme of the assembly is Faith Without Works is Dead, from the book of James chapter 2 verse 14 to 17. The community's journey in a spirit of practicality, concretezza, in service to young people and the church. Various meetings are planned for reflection and formation of Salesians, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians and lay people belonging to the CMP community. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.